According to a NASSCOM report, the worldwide software testing outsourcing market in India is forecasted to reach $50 billion in revenues by 2020, realizing cost savings of 25% or more. Bangalore is the IT hub where the action happens.
A recent benchmark study identifies the top two challenges in IT testing by the automotive IT industry as lack of agile testing approach and difficulty in reusing tests across programs. These challenges increase the organization's overall IT spend to ensure that IT matches the speed and quality of business. One way in which the industry today is countering this increased IT spending is by moving towards a centralized test approach, one with a strong supplier backbone. To provide such a centralized testing, ITMS has set up its test factory with this service catalog. Cost optimization, continuous quality improvement, and on-demand delivery are the key testing imperatives to meet Daimler business needs, and hence this test factory drives standardization. Our guiding principles are agility, measurability, transparency, scalability, and cost of quality, while continuously improving service value and commitment. A good testing approach that fits agile development is essential, and the ITMS test factory with its partners already has the experience in executing projects in agile methodology.
The Agile board is of a sample project following Scrum methodology. The board contains user stories, velocity, backlog testing status, and defect log. Regression and continuous integration are critical aspects of agile development, which are enabled by test factory automation frameworks.
Automation reduces the test cycle time, improving testing efficiency, productivity, and minimizing effort redundancy.
Data-driven, hybrid, and business process testing are the frameworks that are developed in Test Factory to support automation across multiple technologies and domains. We use HP ALM for test management, HP UFT, and SAP TOW for automation testing. We have a robust dashboard in place to track end-to-end automation activities, which help in monitoring and controlling the planned versus actual development progress.
Performance testing is a type of non-functional testing.
Performance strategy in Test Factory is in 6 phases, starting from requirement analysis, then collaborating with our COC to identify the test plan in line with our COC business needs. We use LoadRunner and SAP in-house tools for testing all application types. Performance project report is sent to our COC at the end of every execution, which has current measurement.
Capgemini brings industry best practices and economies of scale. Testing revenues of $1 billion, 14,000 plus test consultants in 40 countries across 500 plus clients. TSS with their 50 plus test experts bring rich Daimler experience along with German presence, language, and cultural proximity.
Testing service is also measured on various KPIs and metrics that help transparently report cost, time, and quality related parameters.
Additional metrics we measure: defect identification efficiency, test coverage, defect leakage UAT, requirement stability index, test case design productivity, test execution productivity. With well-defined frameworks, processes, skilled people, tools and technology, domain understanding, we are now ready to scale up to an ITM-wide test factory.